Okay, copy down this example, and I'll jump in. Switch my pen. Okay, here we go. Okay, part A, I just want to remind you how these things work. For the n, what I would do is just imagine a vector sitting here. How many entries must it have? Well, it's got to have 4, because there are 4 columns. So n is equal to 4. And m is the number of rows. And you can check that by doing a little multiplication of the hypothetical vector here. I don't know, 1, 1, 1. Okay, just want to remind you of that. Maybe useful to remember, if you have a 3 by 4 matrix here, then the 4 goes here, and the 3 goes here. B. Is it onto? Well, let's have a look-see at my thought bubble here. So if you have a matrix transformation, I need to look at this system here and ask myself, does it always have at least one solution? Well, the answer is yes, using theorem 4. Theorem 4. A has a pivot, A pivot, A pivot for every row. So AX equals B is always consistent. Okay, for any B you pick. Okay, therefore, every B in R3 is an image of some X in R4. Because if AX equals B always has a solution, well, AX is just T of X, right? Same thing as talking about T of X equal B. So if this guy has a solution for any B, that means this guy has a solution for any B. And that means that no matter what B you pick here, it has a buddy, X. So any B is an image of some X. And this is what we mean by the transformation being onto. T is onto. Yes, it is onto C. So for C, I'm asking is T 1 to 1. So now I'm asking, let's write down what I'm asking here. Does T of X equal B always have at most one solution, i.e. does AX equals B have, always have one or no solution? And the answer here is no, because there's a free variable, right? No. This, if I were to think about row reducing this, has a free variable. Okay, the third column in the coefficient matrix here is lacking a pivot. So AB has a free variable. So, there is a B in R3 that will give infinite solutions here. Okay, so my reasoning is A has a pivot for every row. So this system is always consistent. So actually it doesn't matter which B I pick. I'm going to get an infinity of solutions. Okay, so this is not one, two, one.